Om Shanti. Essence of Murli, 16th July 2020. Let's imbibe one more feature of Manmohini Didi ji. Didi made surrender many people's mind, body, and money successful. Didi placed it on who could handle the yagna, dedicated it to her, and filled her heart with a sense of sacrifice. Sweet children, this confluence age is the age of you to be absorbed of your sense. You definitely have to become pure in this age and not commit any sins. Question: which children can experience supersensuous joy? Answer: those who are full of the imperishable jewels of knowledge can experience the supersensuous joy. The more knowledge you imbibe in life, the wealthier you become. If you don't imbibe any jewels of knowledge, you remain poor. The Father is giving you knowledge of the past, present, and future and making you Trikaldarshi. Song: Salutation to Shiva. Essence for Dharana. First point: donate the imperishable jewels of knowledge in this most auspicious month of charity. Wake up at Amrit Vela and churn the ocean of knowledge. As well as earning an income for the livelihood of your body according to Srimad. You must also definitely do the homework that the Father gives you. Second point: whenever you have any obstruction to your efforts, give that news to the Father and take Srimad from him. Tell the surgeon everything. This is the time for you to be absorbed of your sins. Therefore, don't commit any more sins. Blessing: may you become karmatit like the Father and be free from your body, relations, and material comforts. Description: if those who maintain their soul conscious form while looking after their household as instruments, according to the directions and not out of attachment, where to receive in order to depart now, they would do so. When the bigul is blown, your time will not go by in thinking. You would be said to be a conqueror of attachment. Therefore, check yourself whether any bondages of your body, relations, and material comfort are pulling you toward themselves. Where there is some bondage, there will be an attraction, but those who are free will be close to the karmati stage like the Father. Slogan: along with love and cooperation also become a form of power. And you will receive a number ahead in the kingdom.